Welcome to the practice of Lesson 10. I am Mustafa Nasser and you're watching Arabic for Nuns. Today, I want to practice these two words from Lesson 10. حمل and غاب. Before that, I want to establish again the logic behind Arabic writing. When taking an English example, like the verb eat, that contains three letters, E, A, and T. The process of writing is very simple. We just arrange the letters in the right order. Letter E comes first, letter A comes next, and letter T comes last. Here we can see two things. There are always gaps between the letters of the word. I mean, there is no contact between them. And second, the shapes of the letters didn't change. It is the same shapes of the isolated formats. On the other hand, writing in Arabic is much different. A word shows up as one single entity, like this one here. There are no gaps within the word. We literally join the letters together using horizontal lines, which you can see here. Okay, let me break down this word to see how it gets that shape. First, I will write the letters of this word separately, as I did with the English word. Here is the first letter. Its isolated format looks like this, and it's somehow different from its shape in the word, as you can see. The second letter looks like this, and the third letter looks like this. So, the next step is to shape each letter based on its position. We generally stretch horizontal lines accordingly. The first letter, we first omit this lower curve and stretch a line to the left because this is the first letter in the word and it needs to be joined only from the left. The second letter, we also delete this lower piece and we will stretch two lines, one to the right and one to the left, because it's in the middle, so it needs to be joined from both sides. And the last letter, it doesn't witness much change. We only stretch a line to the right. See, the main objective of shaping letters is to make it fit for joining them. The remaining step is easy. We will just join the letters and that's all. We get the final shape we saw before. So here we have the opposite of English writing. We said in English we always have gaps between the letters, while in Arabic we mostly have horizontal lines between the letters. And in English, the shapes of the letters don't change, while in Arabic, the shapes change accordingly. Let's now see the second Arabic word, غاب. Here we can see that we have a gap within the word. That's why I use the word mostly when I describe the horizontal lines. In most cases, we will see Arabic words shows up as one block or one single entity like the first example. But there are few cases in which we can see gaps within the word, like this second word. Let's now do the same breakdown we did with the first word. First, we write the isolated format of the letters. Here is the first one, here is the second, and here is the last. Second, we will shape the letters. The first one will become like this. The second one is a special case. This letter should be joined from both sides because it's in the middle. But it is one of 6 letters that follow the same rule, which is they accept joining only from the right side. So here we stretch a line to the right. But from the left we leave a gap, and the last letter will be the same, as it cannot be joined from the right and also cannot be joined from the left because it is the last letter of the word. Now, let me write these two words manually. Okay, let's start with the first word, حمل. I will write the shaped format directly. There is no need to write the isolated format first and then shaping it. So I will start with the first one, letter ح. We write it like this, a curve to the right and then a curve to the left, like this. And then the second one, ما, only the circle, and we stretch the other line. And then finally, the last one, لا, like this. And that's all. The second word, غاب, the first letter, we write it like this. There is no need to do the lower curve. Don't forget the dot. And then a. And then lastly, ب, a boat, and a dot below the boat. Let me do it quickly in one step. The first one, حمل, حمل. The second one, غاب, غاب. And that's all. Let me write them one more time with a normal pen. The first one, حمل, حمل. The second one, غاب, غاب. And that's all.